In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Salesforce integration in Hubspot. This integration can significantly enhance your CRM capabilities, allowing you to align marketing and sales effortlessly. So let's dive right in and set things up step by step. First, we need to install the Hubspot Salesforce integration. To get started, log into your Hubspot account. You'll want to navigate to the app marketplace, which you can usually find along the top navigation bar on your screen. The marketplace is where all third-party apps that integrate with HubSpot are listed, making it a central hub for connecting and expanding HubSpot's functionality. Once there, use the search bar to type in Salesforce. From the results, select the Salesforce integration option. This will take you to the integration page where you'll find more details about what this connection involves and how it can benefit your operations. Next, you'll see an option to install app. Click on that. If you're planning to connect this integration to a Salesforce sandbox environment for testing purposes, make sure to select the checkbox that says, yes, this will connect to a sandbox. This step is crucial for those who want to test the integration before deploying it in a live environment, allowing you to ensure everything functions as expected without impacting your real data. Following that, click Log into Salesforce. This process will require you to authenticate your Salesforce account. Simply follow the instructions carefully to ensure that both platforms can communicate effectively. Now let's connect HubSpot to Salesforce. This is a straightforward process. You'll be redirected to your Salesforce account to complete the necessary steps. Here, you'll be prompted to install the HubSpot integration package. When given the option, select Install for all users to ensure that everyone in your organization can benefit from the integration. Click Install to proceed. During the installation, a dialog box will pop up asking if you wish to grant access to these third-party websites. It's important to select Yes, grant access to these third-party websites to enable this integration to function seamlessly. Once selected, click Continue. The final step in this process involves waiting for Salesforce to install the HubSpot integration package, a process that might take up to 10 minutes. While it's installing, you can use this time to understand more about how this integration will help streamline your processes by synchronizing your data between Salesforce and HubSpot automatically. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully set up the Salesforce integration in HubSpot. This powerful connection will help you align your marketing efforts with your sales processes, driving better results and providing a seamless experience for your team. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.